Hello everyone, welcome back to Crochet Rocks. My name's Tracy and today I'm going to show you a few of my acquisitions. You've all been with me on my shopping trips, so I'm not going to show you what I bought there. I'm going to do little reviews on those and possibly some giveaways, but this is additional to that. For those of you who watched my live, you may have seen that I have this. This is a Caron cake and it's called Spice. I've got a little project in mind that I wanted to do, and it was involving Indian spice colours. So I ordered this. There's probably a couple of shades I can use from it if I wanted to, but it's not really gonna be what I wanted to make the project out of. So, you know, I will use it, but not necessarily for that. And I bought this, which is like a denim blue colour. It's a Signet yarn, and Signet is quite inexpensive. I get it from a charity shop. It's a hospice, but they stock a lot of Signet yarn, and I've always bought it from in there. But over the years, you know, I've not always bought everything because Signet have been quite rough. But this is really squidgy, so I think they've started to come up a little bit. This is just a DK weight, and I've got two of them, and they're kind of, I don't know if you can see it too well on the camera, but they've kind of got like a stonewashed denim look, which apparently is all big in this season, so get me on trend. So that's them. And I also bought white because, you know, never have enough white, so that's that. And I got these. Now, they've not heard of this before. It's called Knitco Fashion Hand Knitting Yarn. Knitting with an N, no G. It's really fuzzy. It's quite thin. Doesn't really have a great deal on the label, but it is a very thin yarn. And something drew me to them. I think it's just the dreamy colours and the fact that it's fuzzy. And I've got two of those. Looking at it might be a little bit thin for me, so I might pop that into a giveaway, but it is lovely colours and really fuzzy, lovely and soft. Speaking of soft, I've always wanted some merino and the baby alpaca. Never really had it before, but I went into my favourite store where I get all the king coal, excuse my head, and I bought myself 4 of these kind of, I think they call them their natural tones. All the colours are fading out now. They're going over to the natural washes and stuff, so there won't be so many colours. But they're 50-gram balls, ridiculously squishy. So I just need a little project to make for myself. This is a lovely kind of lavender colour. Purples, lavenders never really photograph well, do they? But that's coming out okay. So I also bought, you know, you've seen this before, my tinsel yarn for Christmas, but I couldn't resist it, getting individual colours. So we've got some green tinsel yarn and some red tinsel yarn. Now that says this is chunky, but it's kind of just like tinsel eyelash. So that with the normal one that you've seen me buy in the past. Nice little collection going of the tinsel yarns. I also have this one, which I have started on. It's actually got some knitting needles sticking out of it, because this is the one, if anyone watched my live, they would know I tried to make a hedgehog. Didn't work out. Ended up getting frogged. So it's still sticking in there like that. But that's my favourite colour, that one. Absolutely gorgeous. So other than that, in terms of acquisitions, I've got this. Now I don't know when I will get a chance to make this, but I absolutely love people's Persian tile blankets, and so I thought I'd get the pattern and give it a bit of a go. Isn't it gorgeous? I've seen some lovely ones on Facebook and online, but I don't like pattern books, but I will give this a try at some point when I get time eventually. maybe. It's there for when I do, so pop that in my little pattern section over here. Other acquisitions. I do have one, but I'm going to do a separate video on it because I'm going to review it. So that's it for now. So thanks very much for watching. If you haven't already, just press that little subscribe button and the notification bell, and you'll be informed when there's new videos, tutorials, giveaways, etc. Things to watch out for this week. I'm going to do my willow square cowl, my crochet along, but my willow square isn't the same as everybody else's. It's slightly adapted because I don't like it really wholly. I'm not a big fan of massive holes, long stitches and all that sort of thing. So it's slightly different, a little bit tricky. So it's not for the absolute beginner. If you want to take part in that, then I think you should really brush upon my past tutorials on how to do the treble crochet. There's a slip knot. It's a slip knot and magic ring, but we'll only really use the slip knot. That's it basically. As long as you can chain and slip stitch and do those, then you're good to go. So thanks for watching everyone, and I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.